Waiting for a passenger, and this guy's gave me a ticket. No warning, no nothing. What is going on, guys? It's Wrenchettes. We're not only working this beautiful G35, soon to be the Vader, but alive as well. Now, today we're going to talk about something that the passenger don't ever see or don't even care about, most of them. Now, here's what happened. I got a Lux call in Park Avenue in the upper 90s, and then was going to the lower, I would say, 50s. So then, as soon as I dropped this passenger off, I don't know about the other drivers. I don't like to just like run around the city empty. So I found the next available spot in front of SUVs, and then I wait there. Like literally 1 or 2 minutes later, this cop comes, blocked me, gets out the car, and start writing me a ticket. I'm like, what is going on here? So then I see that I'm in a no standing sign from 7 to 10, and it was like 8 o'clock. So I'm like, oh boy. I'm thinking that the cop was gonna get out to tell me, hey, move your car or something, because that's usually like what they do. But this guy was on speedballs and man balls, you know what I'm saying? And he gave me the ticket. He didn't ask for no ID, no nothing, and he put the ticket in the windshield. So I recorded this guy, and this is what you guys are gonna see. Check it out. So, waiting for a passenger, and this guy's gave me a ticket. No warning, no nothing. Park Avenue, New York City. Incredible. And so after that, I was pretty pissed off. I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna let this guy just ruin my entire day, because I mean, it is the morning. I'm not gonna be mad the entire day for this idiot. You know what I'm saying? Then I think about 2 days later or 3 days later, I go to court, and then the judge said, "Prove to me that you was in the car while the cop was giving you a ticket," and he put it in the windshield. So I was like, "Sure, I recorded this officer doing it." I was like, "Oh, really? Can I see the video?" But before he saw the video, he wanted to see the details of this video. He wanted to know the timestamp, the GPS location, and then he looked at the timestamp and the ticket timestamp. I was like, okay. Then he wanted to see the video after he saw that. So then he says, just wait in the lobby and wait for the decision. So then I went to the lobby, and then I made the line, and this was the verdict. So as you can see, I got out of that horrible ass ticket, because the call itself, it was a Lux call, and going down a few blocks, which I made $10 off, and Uber made like $14. How did Uber make more money than me that I'm actually picking up the passenger? How did that happen? Can you guys tell me? Because I was dumbfounded. So that's what happened to me. It was pretty freaking annoying, and I made I think it was like $320 that day. So it was still a good day. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys are getting a ticket anywhere and the cop is not even talking to you, record the officer, because it is illegal. He was supposed to ask for my ID. Since I'm making a violation, then he has a right to ask for my ID and get my information. But he did not. He wrote the ticket as if I was not in the vehicle. And thankfully, me recording this guy got me off the ticket. So if you guys enjoyed this type of content, please give me a like on this video. If you guys need, please subscribe, because 2019 is going to be an awesome year. God bless.